Installing the Jabber client on your Mac for telemedicine. Find the Remote Access Support Hub link on the MSK homepage. Scroll down. Select Guides for Clinicians. Select Download Cisco Jabber for Macs, and double-click to open the downloaded package. At the Install window, select Continue. Select Continue again. Leave the default install destination where it is and select Continue. Select Install at the prompt. Enter your password to install the application, and select Install Software. Close the installer and move the installer to the trash. Open Cisco Jabber from your applications. When Jabber opens, select the username text box and enter your entire username, including the @mskcc.org bit at the end. Select Continue. You'll be taken to a regular login where you'll enter your usual username and password, and you don't have to put in the @mskcc.org bit this time. Select Sign In. You can cancel out of the MSKCC WebEx login. To check video and audio preferences, select Jabber on the menu bar at the top of the screen. Select Preferences, and select the Audio-Video button at the top of the General Preferences window. You may have multiple audio devices such as webcams or drag-in headsets. Choose a microphone from the box at the bottom of the window. You can adjust the volume using the slider below that. If you don't know what to choose, just click in the middle of the scale. Speak into your microphone to test the levels and adjust them as needed. To choose a camera, select the Video button and select a camera. Close the Preferences window. If you have an MSK computer, you can select OK to allow integration of Jabber with Outlook. And now you are ready to accept calls. This has been installing the Jabber client on your Mac for telemedicine.